A threat's been made against the lives of more than 100 Texas lawmakers. All of them have supported the controversial fetal heartbeat bill that became law and then took effect earlier this month. Our political reporter Jack Fink with reaction.
CBS 11 has learned 101 lawmakers, most of them Republican, have been warned by the Texas Department of Public Safety about a credible threat made against them after they voted for the fetal heartbeat bill earlier this year.
Oh, yeah, you're alarmed at first, but, quite frankly, every once in a while we receive these types of threats.
Republican State Representative Matt Shaheen of Plano is one of the lawmakers who supported the fetal heartbeat bill and whose life was threatened. A source says while lawmakers have received threats individually before, what's different about this one is that so many were threatened at once.
Representative Shaheen says the threat came in a post on the social media site Reddit by a man in Oklahoma, and that his name and those of 100 other lawmakers were included in the post, and that the man who made the threats mentioned legislative corpses.
And it was disturbing. It's obviously somebody that has some mental issues, very angry person.
It's unfortunate.
Democratic State Representative Ana Maria Ramos of Dallas voted against the fetal heartbeat bill and wants it to be struck down by the U.S. Supreme Court. She condemns the threat.
It's never okay, and it's scary for all of us because these are my colleagues, right? These are human beings, the people on the House floor and in legislature, people who also sacrificing their time to fight for what they feel is best for our country. So it's never okay. It is scary.
The Texas Department of Public Safety declined comment, but in a statement said, the Texas Department of Public Safety takes all matters of personal security and public safety very seriously, and we do not discuss details of ongoing threats and investigations. Representative Ramos says when she and other Democrats broke quorum this summer, they also received threats. We contacted the FBI and are awaiting a response. Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.